Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BLUEHDI 335L2H2 window, glazing, van, needs, head, gasket, 69k miles no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 69,636. MOT, the 17th of January 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, sat nav, air con, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control.